Okay, good afternoon, students. I hope you had a nice lunch and nice coffee. That's what Jojin is saying. Huh? Whether you had a nice lunch?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So, since you had a nice lunch, now we will start the class. Today's class is about the concept of portfolio creation with the help of solver. That is the technical name. So, today you are going to create a portfolio based upon the today's share price movement. That is very important thing. Okay, that is the core thing. Before going to the core concept, let us see what is going on in the news. Why we have to create a solver, why we have to use the portfolio, how to select the portfolio. These are all the things when it comes to our mind when you are going to invest. So you can see in case of today's news, very important thing from the market side. You can see Indigo Paints IPO is going to open on 20th January to rise around 1000 crores. See that one, Indigo Paints. Very interesting news. We assume that the pandemic is going on, but what it is going on now, one of the IPO is going to come. They assume that Indian markets are good, and now they are going to have a new strategy. We assume that market is bad, but it is not like that. The COVID pandemic is going on in one side, another side the investment is booming. That is why the IPO is going to come. It means that the market is moving in upward direction. That's what today's news is going on. Even you can see most of the share prices are in moving upward downward direction. Now by this time the Sensex is going down and rupee versus dollar is also going down. I think you are able to see that one. So you can see Nifty Bank Index is going on up direction, whereas some other Nifty is going in downward direction. So by this time you decided to invest in shares or bonds or in gold. How you will invest? Suddenly your friend is asking to invest in the portfolio. You want to create a nice portfolio. So how you will create a new portfolio today? You can see in this CNBC news, you can see what are all the things are scrolling down. The scrolling downs are the present share price movement. I hope you know the green color shows that the price is moving in upward direction, whereas the red color shows that the price is coming down. And even the rupee value they are mentioning in the news, it is also going down in some places. So if you want to create a portfolio for your friend as a systematic investment plan, what you will do, where you will invest. You can see here Aditya Birla Sun Life asset management company director is saying in a different manner, it is better to go for even gold investments. Hmm? And he is recommending gold ILOX environment. That means he decided to move on towards the gold. So whether you will invest in gold, whether you will invest in equities, or whether you will invest in bonds, or which combination you will do, that is the question mark today. As an analyst, financial analyst, you are able to tell clearly and immediately. That's what's that one. Today, this man is running the big organization. He is running the this type of network. Let us assume that this man is the CMO or Chief Investing Officer, CIO now, Chief Investing Officer of Deloitte. So somebody is asking to this man, very good, Jasmine sir. We are having around 1 lakh rupees with us. We have to invest today. where we can invest, they are asking. Immediately, Jisman has to tell something and he has to attract. As per the present news, they mentioned that gold is a very good investment. And here also, Aditya Birla Sun Life Asset Company managing director is also saying that it is better to invest in gold. But the client is not good. Client may be Renita. Renita is saying that Jisman, gold investment is good, but government is not permitting to invest more in gold. What can we do? So now Jisman is planning. Okay, good, Renita, your plan is good. I will create a nice portfolio and inform you. So what is the role of Jisman? Renita won't wait for more than 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, Jisman has to inform Renita that what will be the decision. Okay. So how to create a portfolio based upon the today's price? Usually, what Jisman will do as an chief investing officer. Remember that investing officer, he has to create a nice portfolio. Usually, the portfolio consists of three elements. One is investment in equity. Second one is investment in bond. Third one is investment in gold, maybe based upon today. So, what is the combination Jisman can invest for Renita? Whether Jisman will go for investing only in equity or only in bonds or only in gold. What is the proportion he is going to invest? So, how Jisman will do? So, for Jisman, the first option is available. He will first go through the what is the present situation in the stock market, what is going on now, what is the present news regarding the market. So he will go through the market, whether the market is favorable for him or unfavorable for him. He will go through the different markets. Let us see what are all the options available for Jisman. Immediately, Jisman will go and see in the BSE. BSE website, you can see in case of immediately the BSE website, if you gone through that one, it will show the gainers, loser, everything. At present, who are all the gainers? Who are all the losers? Gainers, first one, if you click here, it will show the losers. Top turnover, who is having the top turnover? It will show recently viewed, no recent news, no my portfolio because I have not created. So see that one. Immediately, Jisman will see who are all the gainers. Yes, you can see security under that. BSNL is then ASH cap is that Tormart, Auto Leasing, MSL, Filtra, NGL, Cermat. Number of companies they are showing. It shows that first company change is around 118.90 rupees, a change of 27.58. It is mentioned in the green color. That means first this company, let us please, what is this company? Yes, Birla Sun Life Sensex ETF is doing well at present. As per the present statistics available, it is the top gainer in the market. So first option for Jisman is whether we can invest in Birla Sun Life Sensex exchange trade funds. Okay, so he will go through this one. So today it is going well. Even he will go. You can see in this graph the Birla Sun Life ETF is moving just 425 to rupees 550. A very good investment. It is going good. So what this man will first think, okay, since it is a good gainer, we will go for first combination of Birla Sun Life Sensex ETF. So what he will you can also open the file what I have sent. So here you can see I will click that one, Automobile Corporation of Goa Limited. Instead of that one, now I am entering Birla, because now Birla Sun Life is going on good. Birla Sun Life ETF. Okay. Yes, how I selected the first company, have you find out? You can select anyone in the same manner. You may select the second gainer. Usually first 5 or 3 companies they will select. Okay. I have selected Birla Sun Life because Renita has not given any condition to Jisman. So Jisman is assuming that since Birla Sun Life ETF is going good today, he decided to invest in the Birla Sun Life. So select one company based upon the stock market price. You can see these things, or you can go for top turnover. TCS is there, Nakuri.com is there, Adani Green is there. You can select any one. Okay. I have selected the first one because why I am saying it gained 27 percentage today. As per the CNBC TV news now, it is saying that the Sensex is going down by this time. But here, Birla Sun Life is moving in upward direction. So we assume that Birla Sun Life will get good returns. So I have selected the Birla Sun Life. Okay. In the same manner, you can select some organization and enter into the first one where I enter in the Birla Sun Life ETF. Yes, Amar, you have find out which company you are going to decide first.
Some Tata Motors, some.
Tata Motors. Okay. So Amar decided Tata Motors. Mention the name here. Don't close that one. Okay. Then we have to find out the price. What is the price of the share now? Okay. You can see how you have to find out the price of the share. In case of Birla Sun Life Sensex ETF, you can see the price here. Opening price is 425 and the high it moves up to 550. That means the price is moving upward from 425 to 550. So at present, if you want to buy this Birla Sun Life Sensex ETF, you have to pay 550 rupees. So let us assume you can see in this graph also it shows 550. By this time, if you want to buy Birla Sun Life, you have to pay 550 rupees. See this one. By exactly now, by 340, the price it shows 550. So what I'm entering, the price is 550. The returns, as per the present scenario, we have seen that returns is going around at 27.58. You can see Birla Sun Life returns is 27.58. So let us assume it will fetch a good return of minimum 25%. That never decrease less because this is fluctuation. We are preparing based upon the today's price. Now, what is the price is going on? So let us assume the return is same thing 20. I will mention 27%. Okay, the returns. So the first organization I have selected, that is the Birla Sun Life its price is 550 at present. That means if you want to buy the Birla Sun Life ETF at present, you have to pay 550 rupees. Be clear. And it is generating a return within day 27%. So assume that it will continue for 1 year. Okay. Even though it is like that. Then you must know another thing also. You can go to the corporate information. Okay. If you want to buy the Birla Sun Life, think the market lot size is 1. That means that if you want to buy this exchange traded fund, you can buy one fund also. That is what market lot means. Usually some cases the market lot may be 50, 100, etc. That we'll see later on how it is going on. Okay. Mm. So first one we have selected. Second one, we have to go for investing in. There are 3 options I told. First we have selected the gainers. Then we have to go for selecting a bond. We have to select one bond, that is debt, which is doing well. Which bond we can select? You can see either in moneycontrol.com or even in Birla. In BSE also we can select that one, some of the bonds. Okay, how to select a bond? You can see in case of equity, you can go for debts others. Hmm? You can select any bond. Usually what we will do, what is the, which bond is doing good, only you will find out. Interest rate derivatives, commodity derivatives, debt segment. You can see in the debt segment, change is 00. Yes, there is one security name. They mentioned there is a change of 8.47%, which is doing well. And others are only in minus. You can see debt market is not doing well today. Now at present, by this time, debt market is not doing well. Anyhow, I'm selecting this debt one. ICICI, I think something mentioned, it is going in the flat. But debt market, very important thing is the interest rate is important. Even though it is not fluctuating, you will get the minimum interest. Let us select this one, ICICI. You can select anything, debt. I'm selecting the ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund debt. I'm selecting. You can see the price is also 1,000 rupees. There is no change. So what I am doing, I am selecting ICICI Prudential Life. ICICI, second one. See that one, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund debt. Mm. The price comes around 1,000. Yes, have you selected any one debt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good, Sneha. Mm. What, Jisman, which debt you have selected? Oh, news.
ICICI only, sir.
Same thing. Okay. You are not ready to take so much risk. Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Jojin, which company you have selected for debt segment?
Sir, same, sir.
Why? I think you are not doing anything.
No, sir, I am doing, sir.
And then I will ask somebody to share the screen suddenly.
Okay, sir.
So be ready. What about Sam? Sam is there? Why Sam is missing? Okay. So here the debt price of even though it is 1000, you can see a, maximum it goes up to 1200. Let us see what will be the returns from this thing, because in case of debt market we are having the interest. That is very important thing. Interest will be there. So what is the interest rate available for that one? It is going up and down. So as per the present one, in case of debt market, we'll see the quantity traded, it is given. Okay. So the debt market return will be minimum. You see, it is mentioned as the 6%. That is the interest rate. 6% means interest rate. Okay. Next, third option, let us go for selecting the gold. Gold means not physical gold. It may be a gold exchange trade funds or some other thing. Let us see what is the going on at present in the gold. In case of the market, which is going on well. Yeah, we will select either through that one exchange traded mutual funds or gold. You can see interest derivatives, commodities, up to debt segment is there. You can type the mutual funds, exchange traded funds, ETF, gold, anything. You can see there are number of gold ETF. So I am going to select some gold ETF. Birla also gold ETF. We have already selected Birla. So I'm not going to select that one. Reliance gold is there. Okay. Let us go for the Reliance gold. Yes. So third option, we are having the gold. So what I have decided to select the Reliance gold fund. You can select anything. You can gold. If you can go to the get code here, instead of mutual funds, exchange trade funds, you can select. You can select any one of the gold funds. If you type gold, all the gold ETF will come. From that you can select. Now I am selecting Reliance Mutual Fund. Okay. Reliance Gold Mutual Fund Gold. Yes, the price present is 2,719. See that one, 2,719. Let us assume we will buy for 2,720. And you can see it is suspended due to procedural reasons. Maybe we may not know the price anything. So that is also problem. Anyway, we can see 2,720. So what will be the returns from gold? At present minimum it is going up by 10%. But we can't say that one. It depends upon the price movements. But you can see in corporate actions. announcements. Yes. Week, it is upper price band goes up to 2,999, 10% it is moving. So minimum returns from the gold will be 10%, and it may goes up to maximum limit. Okay, you can see in the archives also how the price movements are going on. Say for example, if you want to know exactly, you can select yearly. Let us select 2019 and submit. Yes. Plains gold. Yes, you can see. Oh, it is the spread is, you can see in the last column, it is 28% at present in 2016, and it is moving well. What will be the price yearly? Yes, since it is suspended, it is not coming anyhow. We will consider the previous one. Mm. Yes, it is moving in a very fast direction. Spread is 505, it is around 28%. So minimum returns you will get around 28%. Mm. Okay, that is how you will select based upon the today's price. So here what I have done, this is the thing what I have selected. Birla Life ETF, the price is around 550. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, 1,000 rupees, that is the price. Then Reliance Mutual Gold, 2,720. So approximately the returns 27%, 6%, and 28%. Have you selected this thing roughly? This man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Subhashri?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jojin?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Renita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yasin?
Yes, sir.
What are all the three companies you have selected?
Sir, Ashirwad Capital, ICICI, and Kotak Gold, sir.
Oh, nice. Um, Price also you collected. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The returns, it can be an approximate one. It is not essential that it should be like that. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
you know that, yes, everybody listen. Now you are moving to the core area. Core area means once if you have selected the investments, here first category is investment in equity, of course, exchange trade fund equities, then the bonds, by ICICI Prudential bonds, then Reliance Mutual. Of course, it has suspended, not discontinued. So Reliance Mutual Fund Gold, these three things we have selected. If you want to buy this thing today, we have to pay around 550 for Birla Life. ICICI, you have to pay 1,000 rupees. And Reliance Gold, you have to pay 2,720. So now Gisman is doing all those things. So that is the price per unit. Now, how much percent we can invest here? What is the percentage of investment in Birla Sun Life? What will be the percentage of investment in ICICI? What will be the percentage of investment in Reliance? That is very important. Now, Gisman has to think about that one. these three is doing well on today. We have seen the television, they mentioned that gold is doing well. So gold investment is compulsory and bond investment is also compulsory. Equity, we divided the portfolio like that: equities, bonds, and mutual funds. We are divided like that. Okay. Now coming to the column number B, C, D, 4. Okay. Same thing. First is equity, that is Birla Sun Life. Bonds, that is ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. Gold, yeah, identify the Reliance. Same thing, returns we have estimated. So next, the allocation. You need not worry about allocation now. Maximum how much percentage we can invest in the equity, and what will be the minimum percentage we can invest in equity. That is very important thing you have to decide. In case of portfolio, you have to come from reverse. In gold, maximum permission is only at present 30%. It should not be more than 30%. That is the thumb rule. Of course, if you are running private investments, you can do anything. But if you want to consider the portfolio of the managerial decision making, minimum is only 30%. We can't invest more than 30. So minimum we can, sorry, maximum we can invest 30%. Minimum we can go for 10%. That is our assumption. That is the decision based upon the Renita view. Hmm. So I mentioned Reni view is like that. But legal construct is 30% maximum. Minimum, Renita is saying you have to invest at least 10% in gold because she is very much fond of gold. Hmm. You have to come from back end. Then in bonds, government says that we can invest up to 50% in bonds. So I am mentioning 50%. Minimum you can have anything. Let us assume that minimum we can go for 30% in bonds. Then equity. Equity, there are no restrictions. Even you can go up to 70% in portfolio. So maximum restrictions I am changing as 70. Minimum anything, we need not worry about that one. Okay, these are all the restrictions. These are all called the constraints: minimum investments and the maximum investments. Out of 1 lakh rupees Renita is having, this one is going to give the conclusion. So what we have done, we will fix the constraint that first gold maximum we can go for 30%, minimum 10% we can invest. Bonds 50% we can go, minimum we can go for 30%. Then the maximum in equity we can go up to 20%, 70%. Minimum there is nothing. Anyhow, we can assume that 20%. These are all the constraints. Fix these constraints correctly. Okay. Have you fixed? Subhashri?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now it is the climax scene of today. This man?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. Yes. Now everything might have completed. Now listen clearly. Durga Prasad, over.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Over, sir.
Okay, good. Now listen carefully what I am doing because I am using the solver thing. So I already told you might have enabled the solver. So you can select this allocation side. Okay. Control and select this one. Go to the data, this open. Then click the solver. Once again, I'm telling select all this thing in allocation, go to the data, then the solver. I have already given the formula. Usually you have to use, but here I have already given. Mhm. Subject to the constraints. Constraints means minimum, maximum. I have given minimum value, maximum value. This is the subject, the constraints. Then I am asking the Excel to solve. It is asking keep.
Sir,
Yes.
data then where is solver, sir?
Where is the solver? You can see in data, click the data. After the formula bar, there is one data.
Yes, sir.
Then in data, it is, you can see data analysis, then
Yes, sir.
solver. Ah. Now you can see it automatically changed based upon the our constraints. It shows that gold maximum it has taken because returns from the gold is high. So 30%. Then it selected 30% from bonds because
Excuse me, sir.
yes, this
I'm
space.
not. I'm not having the solver tab.
Same here, sir. Even I don't have solver.
What I told on the first day, you have to enable that solver. How to enable, I told you, no. I think most of you forget. I will tell once again. Then how it is work, it will not work here, If you want to enable the solver, go to the Excel sheet, go to the file, you can select in the options. Okay. If you select the options, you will have that one formula. Mm. Here it is enabled, so it will show only enabled. Mm. Customized ribbon, BQRS. In this one, you will get the solver option. Enable that one. Mm. Go to this and enable your solver option. Here it is enabled, so I can't find a new one. Only in your laptop you can find.
Sir, it is in add-ins.
Add-ons. Okay. Add. Okay.
Add-ins options. Add-ins.
Yes. Maybe in add-ins. It depend upon your OS operating system. It is available in add-ins. Yes. So enable your solver. Otherwise, this is waste. Yes, everyone enable the solver.
Yes, sir.
It depends upon you in your system. Hmm. Yes, Subhashri, have you enabled the solver?
Sir, doing, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Durga Prasad.
Yes, sir. I had done before only, sir.
Oh, nice, good. Hmm. Yes, I hope everybody might over. So be clear, you have to select D4 to D7. You have to go to data, Under that, you have to go to solver, then solve. Mm. Here the same result will come. Only thing, if you have made some other thing. Okay, now the solver is saying you can go for 40% investment in equity, 30% in bonds, and 30% in gold. That's what solver is saying. Hmm? This is Excel based upon the formula what we have given. That's all. In the solver I given. The same manner, if you want, you can give your own formula. I have given because I have selected only 3. If you want, you can in the same manner, you can have additional coding to give. This is how the solver is working in Excel. Now you know the result is 40% investment in equity, 30% in bonds, and 30% in gold. Okay. Now Ranita is having 1 lakh rupees. So you can see here. This is the amount given by the Ranita. I am highlighting that in some other color. Out of 1 lakh rupees, be clear. Ranita can invest 40% in equity. So 40,000 in equity, it shows. Then bond 30%. So out of 1 lakh, 30% is 30,000. So it shows bond 30,000. Then gold ETF here an allocation solver shows only 30%. And here also same thing I have mentioned. So out of this 1 lakh, Ranita can invest 40,000 in equity, 30,000 in bond, and rupees another 30,000 in gold. Be clear. That is how she can manage. Have you noted that one? What happened, Jojen? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Subhashri, what is your percentage comes?
So that exact value?
That allocation, you can tell me. What is your
Same only, sir. 33, 30, 37, and 100.
33%? You are not changed the maximum minimum.
Change, sir. 70, 20, 50, 30, and 30, 10.
You can adjust based upon that, the allocation will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So out of this 1 lakh, you can see that one. Let us say go to the next stage. You can see the Birla Sun Life ETF is today 550 rupees. So 550 rupees I have mentioned here. Then ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund per unit is 1000. Reliance Mutual Fund Gold is 2720. This is the price what is taken from here. There is no change. Now we know the value, how much we are going to invest, how many units we have to purchase, or how many securities we have to purchase. You can see that one, we have to invest 40,000 in Birla Sun Life ETF, but the price is 550. So what is the unit it comes? It comes 72.7272. That is nothing. 40,000 divided by 550, it shows 7272. Whether we are able to buy 72.72 shares in market? Is it possible? 72.72. Whether you are able to buy 72.72 pen in market?
No, sir.
That is very important. That is why we have to round off that one. Okay. When rounding off that one, you might have known that one. You can't purchase the share as 72 shares also. Either you can buy 70 shares or you can go for 80 shares, provided the unitization is 1. That you must understand. This is a very important concept most of the students fails to understand. First thing you have to understand, we can't buy 72.72 shares. Simple thing. If you want to buy a pen, the result shows that 1.2 pen. Whether you are able to buy 1.2 pen, you can approach a shopkeeper, I need 1.2 pen, whether he will give. You have to use your common sense here. Likewise, the result shows that this computer system created by some X shows that you have to buy 72.72 shares of Birla Sun Life Exchange Trade Funds. But we can't buy like that. We have to go in the rounds zeros, something in 100 only. But here it is given unitization 1. Some cases even you can't go 72. Minimum you have to buy 100 units. Usually it is in the multiples of 10. So what we can do, we can go for only 70 shares of Birla Sun Life. So what I mentioned, instead of 72.72, I am rounding up to 70. Be clear. Then same thing, bond. It is clear. 30. It clearly mentioned the price is 1000 and we have to invest 3 lakh. So no issue in case of bonds. We can buy 30 bonds. Next, coming to the gold ETF, it shows you have to invest 11.029 Reliance Mutual Gold Fund. Are you able to buy 11.02 securities? We can't buy. Either we can buy 10 or 20 like that. So what 11.02 means, it is the nearest one is 10. So let us see. We can go for 10. Yes, are you able to understand this thing? Yes, this man, rounding off technique.
Yes, sir.
Subhashri, have you
Yes,
rounded?
sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
This is a tentative rounding. We can wait and see. Georgine, you are rounded?
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
Okay. Yasin, do you able to understand the rounding concept?
Done, sir.
Yes, good.
Yes, sir.
Sneha,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. So you must clearly understand the rounding technique. How to rounding? It should be in the multiples of 10. Okay. Now you can see if you round like that. Next column, it shows equity 70 units. We can purchase at the price of 550 rupees. So you have to pay 38,500. Bond, we are going to buy 30 ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund bonds at a price of 1,000. It comes 30,000. Then gold thing, we can buy 10, so that a price is 2,720. We have to pay 27,200. So totally, instead of 1 lakh, we have to pay 95,700 rupees. We are first planning with 1 lakh rupees. Of course, there are some commission charges. You might have studied in underwriting commission. It may goes up to 2%. Okay, 2% of 1 lakh means comes around 2,000. So maximum we can go up to 98,000. So you can adjust here. So now Renita has to spend around 95,700 to invest in 70 equity shares of Birla 30 bonds of ICICI and 10 units of gold ETF. If you change the rounding off, you can say, for example, she wishes to add up to 20. In case of 20 is not possible, we'll see if you add 20, how much it comes. It goes to 1,22,900. So we can't go for 20. We'll restrict to 10. Equities, if you mention 80 instead of 70, yes, it also goes to 1,01,200. You can suggest anything. This man will suggest if you increase 550 equity shares, sorry, 80 equity shares, you have to invest 1,01,200 plus 2% commission. You can see that one, how much we can invest. But in my view, this is the best one because we have to pay some underwriting charges, anything. Okay. So as a conclusion, you have to mention clearly these are all the investment values. You must know clearly. Okay. That means we are investing in equity means here Birla Sun Life ETF. Today we are buying 70 units of or 70 securities of Birla Sun Life ETF at the rate of 550 rupees because today the Birla Sun Life ETF value is 550 rupees. Then we can buy ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund 30 units at the rate of rupees 1000. Today's price is 1000. Then gold ETF. We can buy 10 gold ETF at the rate of 2720. That is the conclusion. So Jisman will inform Renita. Renita, you need not worry, madam. Madam, we can, if you are having 1 lakh rupees, you have to pay me commission of 2% to 2.5%. So this is the best plan we can invest. We can invest 38,500 in equity and 30,000 in bonds and 27,200 in Reliance Mutual Fund Gold. That is the answer from the Jisman to Ranita. So this is called the portfolio creation with the help of Solver. This is very much useful in everyday life. It is not only for finance analytics. Now most of them are having their own templates. You know, I have stolen this template from your senior who is working in ENY. Hmm? Your senior, last week I asked, what is the new template you are using for your client? Okay, sir, don't give to anybody and I will send you. You can delete remaining, keep the coding. That's all. So your senior only sent to me, but he mentioned that different companies, three things, IDBI, Bharat Bond, as well as the another securities. Only thing I changed something. Hmm? This is how you people will work. If Subhashri is appointed after 2 years or next year in a good finance company, he has to answer. Some of the customer will ask immediately, Subhashri madam, I need immediate answer. They will be watching in phone. Over phone, they will ask immediately, Subhashri has to answer. How she can answer him? By that time, she can't prepare the Excel sheet. All these templates will be there. Only thing Subhashri will go to the what is the leave chart in the going on, what is going on, she will find out and immediately she has to respond. That is how these things are going on at present. So remember that you must know all those things at present. What is the present value? how it is going on in the market, what is the stock market price now. Based upon that, you are able to tell everything immediately. Only thing you have cut, copy, paste in the Excel sheet. Immediately the Excel sheet will give the result. Based upon that, you are able to tell. Everything should take maximum of 1 minute. Okay. This is a very good analytics what we are using regularly. Even if you are not identifying any job, you can simply sit in and mention the board that Yasin Consultancy, Yasin Financial Consultancy, and Yasin will do this work. This will be very, very helpful. I used a similar platform, not this one. I used the spreadsheet because when I was doing some work in this capital market, when I invested along with Share Khan, I worked with Share Khan long back. I used the spreadsheet format for this purpose to investment. Now it is in Excel sheet. Same thing you can use in R or SAS programming. It also gives the same result. Okay. So now if you are completed and you have to upload this one in the next exercise. Go through the LMS. There is one option called solver. In the solver exercise, you have to upload this Excel sheet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Whether everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Good. Mm. Jojen, completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Amar,
Yes, sir. Completed.
completed.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice, good. Salim, what happened? Salim. Lena, Deborah, Jyotika. No news. Mm. Pranit, you now only joined.
No, sir, I was there.
I have not seen your name in the beginning. I thought you are in that program.
No, sir. No, sir.
Mm. Then you have completed.
Yes, sir.
What is your answer? Which investments are best now?
For me, Bank of Baroda,
Mm.
Birla Gold ETF.
Mm. Then one bond.
Bond, I choose ICICI.
Okay. Mm. Good, Pranit. Yes. Some other students are there. I can't understand. Then Irfan. Oh, what happened? Okay, now you can switch on your video. Switch on your camera. I have to give the attendance. Your class teachers are eagerly waiting for the attendance. Mm. Mm. Good. Oh, Abhijit is here. Sneha. What, Jojin, you are looking in a different like Pranit. You also changed your hairstyle. What? Amar, good. Yasin, good. Junaid, Karthik, Salim, no response. Kirtana,
Yes, sir.
Irfan. Hmm. Now only Subhashri is coming. Okay. Yes. Okay, I have taken. Okay, we'll meet you on day after tomorrow. Until then, bye. You can celebrate the Pongal and another one more holiday today. I think tomorrow is a holiday, so you can have a nice celebration. Hmm. We will meet on Friday. Okay, bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Hmm.